Hey everyone, my name's Cam and today I'm going to do a video on my 1996 F-350. It's a 7.3 Power Stroke with a ZF5 manual transmission. We've owned this truck for a few years now, and I say we, my wife and I. It's definitely one to stay. Absolute blast to drive this truck. I'm going to kind of just do a full overview of the truck and touch on a few things about it, and then we're going to go for a drive. Kind of walk around here. It's medium light blue metallic with Oxford white two-tone. It's an XLT trim. Still wears the stock Alcoa wheels, the 16-inch. They're wrapped in 285 75/16, so they're about like a 33-inch tire. For the most part, the truck's still riding on factory suspension. It's got an added leaf in the front. Nothing too hateful. You really can't tell unless you're really looking when you compare it to another stock F-350. For the most part, the truck still wears or retains its factory original paint. It's faded in a few spots from just being in California. It's the majority of its life. But we drive the truck. It gets routinely used during spring and summer, and it's fine. It looks good the way it is. Have a tonneau cover on there, completely rust free from its California background. Can I get up in there? Open it up here. Let's take a second to appreciate the door clack. Absolutely love that. We're gonna walk around to the other side, but it's got blue interior. The door dinger can get a little bit annoying. Common OBS woes. It's got factory option 40-20-40s or 40-20-40. That's a ZF5 handshaker. Was optioned with the CD player as well. The interior is pretty much, or for the most part, is original. Headliner I just had redone over the winter. But no odors. Both of the owners or all three of the people who've owned this truck have not smoked in it. So everything still stays pretty clean. Power windows, power locks. It's got the optional fold-away mirrors. They're manual mirrors. I'm not the biggest fan of these mirrors, how they look, but they are more useful than the paddle mirrors. The only reason I like the paddle mirrors is they kind of fit the more modern look of this truck compared to the older Fords. They use these mirrors for a lot of years, these swing-aways. But they're nice. They work out well. Cruise control, everything. Right now this truck's got right over 202,000 miles. It runs like brand new to me. I've had several 7.3s, sold several 7.3s, and been around a lot of them, and this truck definitely, if you're going off of mileage, it doesn't act anything like that. It's a pretty nice truck as far as it goes, and we don't defer any maintenance. It always gets what it needs, and what it wants, I guess. Have some auxiliary gauges we put down here. Power meter, boost. Need to add another gauge. Think about fuel pressure. Dual fuel tanks. Go ahead and start it up.